So, worth it nga ba bumili ng PS5 ngayong 2023? Oo. Okay? So, kung nasagot ko na yung tanong mo, pwede mo nang tapusin ang video. Pero para kung gusto mong malaman kung ano ba talaga dahilan kung bakit oo, panoorin mo tong video na to, no? So, una-una, syempre, disclaimer lang muna. So, yung video na to, para to dun sa mga nagdadalawang isip bumili ng PS5 coming from a PS4. So hindi ito yung ano no, yung video na to, hindi to mag-argue no para piliin mo yung PS5 over an Xbox, PC, Steam Deck or kung ano mang console yung pinag-iisipan mo. So basically pag may PS4 ka na or pwede rin naman na this is your first console din, yung PS5 yung una mong bibilin. Okay? So 2023 na no. Nilabas originally yung PS5, I think November 2020 sa United States. Okay, and so medyo matagal na rin yung panahon na nakalipas, marami na rin na games na lumabas. At siguro ngayon ka lang ano no, ngayon ka pa lang nakapag-ipon o magbo-burn months na, 'di ba? Makukuha na natin yung mga 13th month pay natin or kung di ka pa nagtatrabaho, napangakuan ka ng magulang mo, nabibilang ka nila ng PS5. O, so nag-iisip ka ngayon kung worth it ba talaga. Okay? So, I think yung unang-unang dahilan ko para sabihin na oo, no, na worth it talaga yung bumili ng PS5 coming from a PS4 is mainly talaga yung performance talaga. Okay? Sige, sabihin na natin nasanay ka na dun sa PS4. Pero once na maka-experience ka kunwari sa kaibigan mo or tinesting mo sa shop, okay, yung PS5, may experience mo yung bilis niya dahil dun sa SSD na naka-install sa kanya, no? Kahit dun lang sa menu, yung loading ng games, okay, dun pa lang yung quality of life mo, talagang may improve talaga siya. Okay, so yung less time waiting on menus and loading screens and more time playing the actual game talaga. Okay? And then aside from that, syempre yung ano rin, yung graphics ano. Kung very ano ka no, kung very picky ka sa mga ano no, sa performance no, sa frames per second and sa resolution no, sobrang mapapansin mo talaga yung improvement coming from a PS4. Okay? Ang siguro yung pinaka ano, yung pinaka obvious one diyan would be yung resolution. Okay? Coming from a PS4 to a PS5, grabe yung increase in resolution. Okay, kasi mostly 'di ba ang games lalo na kapag standard PS4 ka is 1080p lang naman siya. Okay? So sa PS5 automatic kaya niya um, up to 4K. Okay? Kung performance mode 1080p pa rin pero mas increase yung textures no compared dun sa PS5. Okay? Kaya kung makikita nyo, no, naglalaro ako ng Cyberpunk 2077 in performance mode. Okay? So walang reklamo kasi unang-una sa monitor ko lang naman, 1080p monitor ko lang naman ito nilalaro. Sobrang ganda nung graphics niya. Okay? So truly next gen talaga yung kanyang experience. Ano? Ayun. So, kung ikaw naman ay nag-iisip ka, may games na ba o na lumabas for specifically for PS5? Bakit nakikita mo na ano no na may marami pa ring games na lumalabas both for PS4 and PS5. Malalaro mo rin naman 'yon. True naman no, totoo naman na malalaro mo pa rin naman yung mga games mo sa PS4, yung mga bago like yung God of War Ragnarok, yung Horizon Forbidden West, Miles Morales, 'di ba? Meron din naman 'yun sa PS4. Okay, again this is my opinion lang naman ano. Opinion ko lang naman 'to. And para sa akin kasi, if I want to experience a triple A game na exclusive na gawa ni Sony, alam naman natin big deal 'yan ano, parang almost ano yan cinematic experience 'yan, 'di ba? So ang gusto ko talaga is ma-experience siya in the best way possible. Okay? And then paano mo siya ma-experience in the best way possible? Siyempre, lalaruin mo siya sa PS5. Okay? So, sa PS5, talagang nandun yung 4K resolution, nandun yung 60 FPS, or kung hindi man 60 FPS, in reality naman talaga, konting games lang naman talaga yung nakakakuha ng 4K 60. Usually 4K 30 tapos 1080p 60. Yung 1080p 60, grabe, sobrang sulit na nun. Kahit yun pa lang, dahilan na yun para laruin mo yung mga triple A games, okay, ng Sony sa PS5 mo, no? Ngayon, hindi naman kailangan. Okay na, kaya nag-isip ka, ang budget mo medyo limited. Okay? tapos nakabili ka ng PS5, syempre poproblemahin mo ngayon yung games mo. Sabi mo, gusto mo ma-experience yung mga Sony exclusives, no, na AAA sa PS5, no. So, ang tip ko, ang unang magandang gawin diyan would be mag-subscribe ka muna sa at least PS Plus Extra. Okay, yung PS Plus Essential kasi yun yung para makalaro ka lang ng online games, online multiplayer games, tapos may mga monthly games siya. Pag nag PS Plus Extra ka, nandun na yung game catalog. Okay, so yung PS Plus Deluxe naman, okay, yun yung parang yung pinaka premium tier nila, nandun yung may classics catalog. Ako personally, hindi naman ako mahilig dun sa mga classic games nila. So, nag-opt-in lang ako dun sa PS Plus Extra nila. Okay, so dun sa PS Plus Extra, nandun na mostly yung mga previously released na AAA games ng Sony na exclusive sa PlayStation 5 and PlayStation 4 din naman, okay? So nandun yung Horizon Forbidden West at saka yung Zero Dawn, yung nauna. God of War 2018, nandun na rin siya, wala pa yung pinakabago, pero most likely lalabas din naman yan in the coming months, no? Death Stranding, nandun, Miles Morales, your Spider-Man, Demon Souls, Ghost of Tsushima, nandun siya, no? So, lahat yon merong mga, may mga PS5 upgrades yon, okay? From their PS4 versions, okay? So, yun na, I mean, ang dami ng games, no? Sabihin na nating minimum, halagang 2,000, actually 3,500 nga isang laro, no? Sa halagang 2,000, maka tatlong laro ka lang doon sa PS Plus Extra na binayaran mo. I think nasulit mo na yung subscription. And then, so kung ayaw mo naman ng mga no, kung natapos mo na, okay, yung mga AAA, no, yung mga Sony exclusives na yan, pwede ka nang humanap ng mga ibang games, ng mga third-party games or mga cross-platform na games doon. Marami naman yun. I think 1 year and a half na rin ako naka-subscribe sa PS Plus Extra. I think masasabi ko na nasulit ko naman talaga. Kahit maglaro ka lang ng isa dyan, kahit maglaro ka ng isang AAA Sony na Sony exclusive, I think sulit na sulit mo na talaga yung yung subscription na yun, ano? Ayan. So I think yun yung personally for me yun yung mga dahilan, okay, para bumili ka ng PS5. Kung first time mo, first console mo, namumurahan ka sa PS4 compared sa PS5, I think straight ka na sa PS5 kasi backwards compatible naman yung mga games. Although not 100% backwards compatible, I think yung mga hindi lang naman backwards compatible na games, no, is very konti lang obscure yung mga titles na yun, parang hindi naman masyado sikat, no. Pero yung mga major titles supported yan sa PS5. Okay? Ayan, so lumipat naman ako sa Witcher, okay? So ayan, so Witcher, 'di ba? Meron yang PS4 version. So alam naman natin na yung Witcher is isa sa mga pinakamagandang laro na nagawa, 'di ba? So, sobrang nagustuhan ko yung laro na yan. Parang more than 100 hours ko nilaro yan sa PS4 ko. Then, in-announce na magkakaroon ng PS5 upgrade. Okay? So, matagal ko nang iniisip na ulitin yung laro sa PS4 ko. Pero, simula nung in-announce na lalabas siya sa PS5, is hinintay ko na talaga siya. And then, directly na-compare ko talaga yung experience ko. No? Although, it is the same game, kasi na-appreciate ko talaga yung improved graphics, improved loading times, no? Improved FPS niya, no? So ayan, naka-performance mode din siya, no? 60 FPS. Then syempre, yung kung papansin mo pag nag-fast travel ako dito in a bit, instant talaga yung loading compared, no, doon sa PS4 version. Another game, no, na may PS5 upgrade is yung GTA 5, 'di ba? Nilabas na recently. Alam naman natin sa mga naka-experience na, okay, nung GTA 5 sa PS4, okay, yung loading screen niya bago ka pa makapasok sa game, I think more than 2 minutes yata. Okay? Yung PS5 version niya, believe me, wala ka na halos hihintayin, okay? As in sobrang bilis ng loading times niya. Walang problema. And syempre in-improve din naman nila yung graphics, So I hope na-convince ko kayo or mas na panatag yung loob nyo bumili ng PS5, So itong PS5 ko, by the way, kung makwento ko na lang din. Ito yung ano no, yung OG na PS5, yung original na PS5, nakuha ko siya nung third wave, okay, sa database. So medyo matagal na rin sa akin yung ano, yung PS5 ko. And marami-rami na rin akong nalaro. Siyempre, wala naman din agad mga PS5 games and medyo mahal pa, no? Na PS4 games, no? Na malaki talaga improvement na mas na-enjoy ko talaga dahil sa PS5 ko siya nalaro. Okay? Ayun lang naman, ano? So, thank you for watching, no? Sana mas ano na no, mas panatag na yung loob nyo sa pagbili ng PS5 nyo. Promise ko sa inyo, hindi nyo pagsisisihan yung pagbili ng PS5 kahit ngayong 2023. Ano? So, ayan lang, kung gusto niyo po magstay, panoorin niyo lang yung gameplay. And pero dito na magtatapos yung aking mga opinions on buying a PS5. Okay? Thank you.
I've tested the slime samples. I believe I'll be able to brew an antidote.
Good. A pox in an army can prove more ravaging than even their fiercest foe. Your service will be recognized.
How? Will I get a toad-shaped medal?
The army's not got any medal like that.
Geralt? Are you alright? What's that on your face?
Long story.
We're conducting important business. Yous can catch up later.
Yes. Right. I'll get to work on the antidote. Shouldn't take long.
Tasty number, that medic. Not like a scolder at all.
Interesting. Curious to know, what do scholars look like to your mind?
All that reading's hard on the eyes, right? So they wear spectacles. Oh, aye. Thick ones, propped on wrinkled noses, and their clothing frumpy at best.
Who've they got to dress up for? The books?
Fascinating, really. But if I were you, I'd make sure no medic ever overhears you.
Huh? Why's that?
Because when you get caught in a battle, she might just refuse to stitch you back up.
You're a lucky bastard, would you? We've seen her making eyes at you. Not like she looks at us. Isn't that right? Admit it. You fancy it to her?
It'd take a blind man to shrug and turn away.
Too true. Meantime, you witches have got especially sharp senses.
Here's the medicine. It's a strong solution, so careful with the dosage. Each patient gets exactly 2 drops after meals, 3 times a day. At the most, in 3-4 days, the infection should fade.
I thank you. In Redania's glorious name.
Serving the Redanian cause now?
I serve individuals. I treat them. That they're Redanians is coincidental. I'd help Nilfgaardians as well were I in a position to. Kedwenis, Edirnian, elves, dwarves, halflings, the same.
Aside from the incident in the sewers, we last saw each other.
Yes. Yep.
Feels like a century ago. Where have you been?
Well, I left Vizima and returned to Oxenfurt. Shortly thereafter, war broke out, and Kefras ganged into the Redanian Medical Corps.
So what now? Radovid's dead.
But the war's not over yet. The chaos continues. Though I can't complain. At least I live at home now, and I treat the ill. Though I must always be ready, for at any time the Redanians might knock with some painfully urgent assignment.
Shani, I need your help this time.
I'd guess this wasn't a social call. Is it at all related to that mock? And you must tell me what happened in...
Where do I start? All right. Monster in the sewers turned out to be a giant toad, and this toad was actually a prince, an Ophiri.
And I'm a Kaviri.
It's the truth, uncolored, I swear. When I killed the toad, some Ophiri soldiers led by a mage showed up. A man named Gontaro did.
Who's this?
Could be a mage, a demon, or a djinn.
You don't know?
He's very powerful. That's all I need. He helped me out of a bind. Now he expects me to fulfill some nobleman's wishes in return. First one's to summon the ghost of his brother, and show him the time of his life.
Amuse a ghost? How do you intend to...
Not my chief concern at the moment. Gotta find his grave and summon him first, then we'll see.
But that's necromancy.
Odin told me how to do it. No sorceress or necromancy involved. Gave me this concoction that summons ghosts. I'll need a...
Well, that can be arranged. They keep one in a storehouse at the academy. I can...
Thanks.
Don't mention it.
Neither do I, but I don't really have any options. Gotta summon that.
I understand. Whose ghost is it?
Olgierd von Everek's brother.
Von Everett? In my third year at Oxenfoot, we had to choose an elective. My options were Pearls of Wisdom from the Hierarchs. I chose the latter. Here it is. Von Igrid. It says Olgierd had a brother named Vladimir.
Thanks. Knew I could count on you.
The crypt's described as quite a work of art. I'd love to see it. Why don't I bring the censer? We can meet at the entrance.